Hi, Nick Rozeskis here from NetApp Support again, and I've got another great time-saving tip explaining how easy it is to use NetApp's AIQ Digital Advisor to provide configuration details for an ONTAP cluster. The Cluster Viewer feature within ActiveIQ simplifies the task of providing a configuration overview. Cluster Viewer provides both physical and logical representations. Cluster Viewer provides configuration details such as number of nodes, number of shelves, number of drives, I/O mapping, and much more. So what does this look like from a demo point of view? Let's cut over. So first of all, we go to our inventory wizard and we need to select a system. So let's select a system. We can either select an ONTAP cluster name or we can select a host name. I'm going to select an ONTAP cluster name. Okay, so what this will do is bring up the cluster view screen, and then we see our link to Cluster Viewer, which we click on, and this will open up the Cluster Viewer main summary screen. So as you see listed here, the number of nodes, number of shelves, including shelf type, number of drives, including the drive type, and so forth. Hardware slot map information, as well as switch information, so model number, software version, etc. The Cluster Viewer provides stack diagram information, network interface information, storage information, so usable capacity, used capacity, available capacity, physical capacity. Provides efficiency information as well as hardware capacity headroom information. So this is useful if you want to add some shelves and you want to know what available headroom you've got. So what this says here is that there are 6 shelves in 0A and 0D on that stack. And another 4 shelves can be added to that same stack of 0A and 0D. A visualization is provided of your system configuration, so shelves and any switches. And then a SnapMirror summary is provided, so all those SnapMirror relationships you have configured with the source and destination volumes. So that's just a brief overview of Cluster Viewer and what it's capable of doing. It's been great to be with you today. Leave me some feedback down below if you've got any comments, and I'll be back with you on the next Support Insights video. Thanks for your time.